Okay, so I've been getting a lot of questions about how easy is it to load the toolkits? How tech do I have to be? How complicated is the process? So I did this really quick video just to show you how easy and how quick it is to load up these toolkits and have immediate access to all the data layers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to navigate to your course page. You're going to go to treelineacademy.net. You're going to click the sign in button. And once it signs in, it's going to drop you in to the courses that you have. So in this case, I've selected my toolkit, my multi-state bundle. So here you can see this is actually a course itself. We've got the introduction video, tells all about it, what's included, how to install, optimizing Google Earth Pro, the full tutorial, how to use and how to activate the Spring Bear data layers, and then the version tracker, which shows you all the versions as I update and add stuff to them. For example, I just updated the 2023 Montana block management data, and so that is a new version in both the Montana toolkit and in the bundle since it includes Montana. You'll navigate to your course page once you sign up for the course. It's really simple, and you'll go to how to install the map data toolkit. You'll go to that. You'll watch the video if you want. You'll scroll down until you get to this part where it says installation step 1 is to make sure you have the latest version of Google Earth Pro. This is important. And remember, this is Google Earth Pro, the application version, not the web-based version, not on a mobile, not on an iPad. This is the application version running on your computer. And then step 2 is simply to click this link to download the toolkit bundle. So if I click this link, you'll see that it downloads the toolkit bundle, and it's right there at the top. It's already done. It's a very small file. Once that file downloads to your downloads folder or wherever it is on your computer, then you'll jump over to Google Earth Pro. And then all you have to do is go to File and say Open. You'll navigate to your downloads folder, and you'll click the Montana Toolkit bundle that you just downloaded, and you'll say open. And it's that simple. You can see that it dropped. This small file is right here in your temporary places, and it's got all of the states included. Now, this is where people make mistakes. You're not quite done just yet. So what you have to do is drag this up into your My Places folder. I'm going to put it just right there under this Peaks Bear Camp. You can see now that it's included in the folder. So when I expand my My Places folder, the toolkit bundle is right there. So now you have to go to File, Save, and Save My Places. That saves your My Places folder. So once I click save, you'll see the spinning wheel. It'll take just a second. And then your data is now saved. And every time you open up Google Earth Pro, you now have access to all of the data. And once you activate the individual toolkits, you can expand the toolkits and see all of the data files that are included. It's that simple. If you want to check out the toolkits, go to treelineacademy.net.